not, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a closet refresh. I am getting everything cleaned out, decluttered, and organized. So my closet is pretty bad. I actually did a closet makeover, I think it was last year or maybe 2 years ago, and I just loved everything about it. I love the new floors that I did. I love the organizing things that I did, but of course, after so long, it kind of gets put to the wayside and you have to clean it out. So this is what I needed to do. I have stuff everywhere on the floors and just like not in the place that it needs to be. So I'm just so glad that I got this refresh done in my closet.
For a while, trying to please everyone who's around.
So now that I have everything off my floors, I am just trying to like organize and just declutter. Then I'm going to start pulling everything out, like the clothes out of my closet.
I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't want to be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anybody who may be new to my channel. Hello, my name is Courtney. I'm a full-time teacher, but also do YouTube on the side for fun. And I do cleaning videos. I do videos in my classroom. And if you like that kind of content, make sure you push that subscribe button. Also to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I read every single comment. I try to comment on every single one of them. So thank you so much for just taking the time and to watch my videos. I just don't know how much it means to me. So I tried to fix this as best I could. I really don't know how to really fix it. There's no like here, and it's like certain parts of the wall there's a stud, but where I need a stud to be, there's not one. So I'm just gonna try to make it work. I don't know, I may have to just redo the whole thing. But anyway, so I still have like up top, as you can see, it still has stuff up there, and I can't pull anything else out of my room because I'm just feeling a little overwhelmed with all the stuff that's here right now on my bed and the floor. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just do the things that I want to do in here, and then once I get everything back in here, I'll pull the stuff up top, I think.
Lonesome dripping, 'cause we're spending the night, and and it feels so right, but it's over now. Time keeps
So I will say this is the time where I missed my cordless vacuum. It died on me last year, and so I never got a new one. But I am definitely on a hunt for a good, cheap cordless vacuum. It was just so good, and I didn't spend a whole lot of money on it. But anyway, so right now what I'm doing is putting this shirt up here because I'm just trying to see if I need to bring the bottom shelf down some more, which I ended up doing that, and it ended up working out great. But that was what the shirt was for.
But you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me.
So I really didn't have to declutter so much of my clothes because I've already done this one time. When did I do this? I can't remember when I did it, but I did it before, so that's why I don't have a whole lot of clothes going out. I did do like maybe 5 pieces of clothing, but most of this stuff is like brand new from the school year, so I didn't have to declutter. So on this side of my closet, I always just put like my dresses, and then I put my coats and jackets on that side, and then on the other side, that's where I put all my shirts and my jeans. But I'm gonna change up where I put my jeans from now on, and I am gonna color coordinate my shirts so it can just be, you know, looking nice and somewhat organized, and not like I just threw them in my closet. Not only did I color coordinate my shirts, I also split them up with my like short sleeves and my long sleeves, just because I am in Alabama, and in this, you know how it is in the morning time, it's winter time, and then by lunchtime it is summertime. So I try, like, sometimes I wear my winter clothes, and then sometimes I wear my short sleeve shirts, and so it just all depends on how I'm feeling that day.
Problems, I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution, I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone. I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant, all the words you never said, all the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble.
So I've realized I have so many pairs of jeans, but I don't want to get rid of them because every time I get rid of them, I go between the sizes. So one month or two I'll be this size, and then another month I'll be this size, and so I just decided just to keep all those, even though some of those I cannot wear right now. I go back and forth between what I can wear and what I can't wear, so I just keep what I have. So what I plan on doing is taking everything off the hangers, and I'm going to just put them in my closet, and it's going to go on that bottom shelf of my closet. And then I did purchase one thing for this closet refresh, and that is this shoe rack, and I actually got it from Walmart. And I actually saw Kelly from Kelly's Corner, I think is the name of her channel, but she bought this, and I was like, this is exactly what I need for my closet to go in, like, the bottom part of my closet, to get my shoes like off the floor. So I end up getting this, and then I also end up pulling something else. I had it in my classroom, but I was not using it, and I bought this a couple of years ago when I was at another school, and so like right now I was just not using it, so I end up bringing that, and that's where I'm keeping all of my like sandals and stuff, because obviously I'm not wearing sandals right now, so that's where my little black shelf comes into play.
One, two, three, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. 1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. I don't have any favorite, just give me any kind. Even if it hurts a bit, I think I will be fine. 24/7, all I do is procrastinate.
I end up taking out all this decor because I have another tote that I'm keeping my decor in, so I just ended up taking this out and I'm putting it in there. And so I'm going to bring back those other baskets that are really full that I could barely even put on the shelf, and I'm going to divide those out. So what I put in there are like shirts that I just want to keep even though I can't wear anymore, and then I have those jeans that I can't wear and I'm just putting them up, and then I have a basket for fall time for like my teacher shirts, and then I have a basket for Christmas time for like all my little teacher shirts, and then like also I have like Valentine's stuff that I put in there, and just Halloween, like just different things like that.
I think it's just some fiction that I have an addiction, baby. That I have an addiction. 24/7, all I do is.
So I want to remind you what the closet looked like before, and of course it was a hot mess, and thankfully I got it all straightened out, got it all cleaned out, and it's just a space now that I actually enjoy walking into and picking out clothes because it's so organized now. And this is the after, and I ended up not doing that very top shelf. I just decided that I was just going to tackle that on another day, and I'm really happy how everything turned out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you push that subscribe button if you are new, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.